In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count number of employees in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to count your employees. This can be any worksheet that contains a list of employee names. The goal here is simple. We want Excel to count how many names appear in that list, so you don't have to do it manually. In this example, the sample employee data is placed in cells A1 through A6. Since we're counting employee names, it's important to understand that Excel will look at the cells in the selected range and count the ones that are not empty. This is why the COUNTA function is useful here. Unlike count, which only works with numbers, COUNTA counts any non-blank cell, including text like employee names. Now let's set up the result area so your worksheet is easy to read. Click on cell B1 and type employee count. This will act as a label, making it clear what the result in the next cell represents. Next, click on cell B2. In this cell, enter the formula COUNTA A2 A6. Make sure you begin with the equal sign because that tells Excel you're entering a formula. Then type COUNTA followed by an opening parenthesis, the range A2 through A6, and then a closing parenthesis. Once the formula is complete, press enter. After you press enter, Excel will return the result 5. That means there are 5 employee names in the selected range. This works because the formula is counting the non-empty cells from A2 to A6. If your employee list is longer, you can easily adjust the formula by replacing A2, A6 with a larger range. For example, if your list continues farther down the sheet, just update the range to include all the cells that contain employee names. In the same way, if your employee names are stored in a different column, simply replace A2, A6 with the correct column range for your sheet. One helpful tip is to make sure your range only includes the cells you actually want counted. If there are extra notes, headings, or unrelated values in that range, COUNTA will count those too. So it's always a good idea to double check your selection before pressing enter. Once you see the result, you've successfully counted the number of employees in Excel. And that's it.